Hey Spice World fans, wake up those taste buds with this Hashbrown Breakfast Skillet that's made even better with Spice World Easy Onion. Let's dig in. In a large skillet, brown some chopped bacon and then add in 1 diced green pepper, salt, pepper, and 4 tablespoons of Spice World Easy Onion. Mix it all up and continue cooking for another 5 minutes, discarding half the bacon grease and adding in a package of shredded hash browns. Cook the hash browns uncovered for 7 to 10 minutes or until the bottom turns golden brown. Then give it a flip. Now for some fun. Using the bottom of your spatula, create 5 holes in the hash browns and crack an egg into each of the holes. Season the whole thing lightly with salt and pepper, and then cover the skillet, cooking it on low for another 10 minutes. Uncover it, remove it from the heat, and be sure to sprinkle on some shredded cheddar cheese and sliced green onions. Now just grab a spoonful and help yourself to this breakfast of champions made with Spice World Easy Onion.